It is November 11th and I'm continuing the job of cleaning up these beds, overturning them and everything like that. I just took out a couple of dead tomato plants that I had left up for experimental purposes. It did not last long after I left it up. I actually had good sense to take all the tomato plants down because it was time. So those came out, added them to the pile. Now I'm going to come over here to my Cosmos plant, and as you can see, there's a lot of, if it'll focus, it's not wanting to. There you go, kind of. But there's a lot of seeds that were produced on these flowers. So those are seeds, and they came from the Cosmos flower. So I'm going to, I got a baggie here. I'm just gonna harvest some in my bag, and then I'm going to sprinkle some just around the garden, and then I'm going to take the plant itself out. And the Cosmos plant is out right here. My next task is going to be to take out this marigold plant. I'm going to save these flowers and let them dry out and keep the seeds. So let's do that. The marigold plant is down. Here are the flowers, and that baggie is seeds from the Cosmos plant. Honestly, that's not even a quarter of the seeds that were on the one plant. These flowers make so many seeds. You plant one and you can have, I almost said marigolds, but you plant one Cosmos and you can have Cosmos for the rest of your life. Just keep track of the seeds every year and shoot, give them to your friends. There's so many. So next task, I think, is gonna be to take down this sunflower plant. You can hardly see it because it's blending in with the gray, brown surroundings, but I am gonna save these little flower heads, some of them, but I'm just gonna take that out. The sunflower plant is out. I also took out some of the straw, you can see over there, but the rest of what's in here I'm leaving for now. As with the other beds, I'm going to put down some compost, worm castings, what was the other one? Alfalfa pellets, stuff like that. Probably not today, but I'm just trying to go through these beds and take out plants that are dead or dying. So let's see, over here we have, there's a basil plant in there that needs to come out, and that tomatillo plant needs to come out. So that'll be my next thing. The basil and the tomatillo plant is out. I do need to clean up a little bit in here. Just the scallions, I don't want that many scallions there. Maybe just 2 on each side, which is I think what I started out with, but they multiply. So I'll be cleaning that up, not right now. Right now I'm just trying to get the dead stuff out. So let's see. I guess I could take some flowers out of here. Yeah, the marigolds look ready to go. Also this sunflower plant. I think there's a zinnia right there and a couple of small sunflowers, and these are dead cucumber plants. So let's take a little bit out of here now. The marigolds are out, along with some other random flowers that I found. I left in the stuff that's still growing. The calendula is still blooming, which is pretty cool. Got some yellow flowers here in November. But I did take out some scallions, gonna chop those up and freeze them for broth. And this bed is good for now. I will be amending it later, like I said. So we've got that bed is good to go. That one way over there in the corner. This one, this one. So really I just have these 2 beds in the back. I need to take out the Cosmos and all those zinnias there, you can see them. I also need to empty that bed of the basil, and I need to work on the fence bed. So still got my work cut out for me, but I have some stuff that needs to get done tonight, unfortunately, so this will be the end of this video, and I will see you soon. Happy gardening. Goodbye.